Guys, so this video is going to be about my makeup classes in Florida. They're going to be in Tamarack, Florida this year, September 7th through to the 9th. And as with all of my classes, all you need to do is show up, pay, and show up. I'll take care of everything for you. I'll get all the tools, the makeup, the models will be, the students will be attending. Smart thinking. So this is not my very first time at the rodeo, but it's my very first time doing it on this level. Guys, my main sponsors are of course Poem by Lyric and of course LyricRochester International, but my main sponsor is Shades by Gal. I've been using Shades by Gal for years upon years upon years. I love what the company stands for. A fellow Jamaican owns the company and I was just flabbergasted when she's like, oh, you know, a good sponsor. I'm like, bruh, what you saying to me? Do not play Shades by Gal. Don't play, Bobo. So they'll be sponsoring, and we also have featured brands. No, these featured brands aren't, they have not reached out to me to sponsor me, because I know you guys are like, Jesus, God, is Juvia's Place to sponsor Lyric? Juvia's Place to sponsor Lyric? Nah, what Lyric is doing is taking her hard-earned money, her hard-earned mentee, and I'm buying them for you guys. So we've bought the beauty blenders, we've been buying palettes, and there's another one, Juvia's Place. Oh, the brush folio. Oh, I need to get on the brush folio this month end. So what it is that for each student that will be attending, you'll get a goodie bag from all of these brands, from Juvia's Place, from Beauty Blender, as well as brush folio. And these are basically like my favorites. Well, some of my favorites, because you guys know I love a lot of brands and I use a lot of brands and I love each and every one of them respectfully. But these are the ones that I'm choosing to have to put in the goodie bags, because I want the goodie bags to be lit this year. Florida, I've never done classes in Florida before. I've only done classes in the US. I think before Jonathan, the year before Jonathan was born. Yeah, the year before Jonathan was born, and I've never done it on this magnitude before. Now the first 10 students, you guys get a complimentary dipped in elegance brush set. You get that for free. If you register before the 1st of August, you automatically get $100 off. The classes are $595, and I'm going to get someone in the description bar in the comment going, but let me just say again what you will be getting. Your goodie bag is going to be lit. You're getting $100 off. You're getting, for the first 10, free brush set that's valued at over $70 something. Bruh. And apart from me teaching you guys what I know and what I've learned over the years, I want to have a sit down session with you guys and talk to you about the business of makeup, how to get clients, how to come back from clients not wanting to book you, how to promote yourself, your brand. That's just what the classes to be about this year. I want to open up with you. I want to tell you guys what I know from a business standpoint, and that you guys learn from the artistry standpoint. It's a lot that will be taking places in these classes. I have a number. You know, when you do classes, we always have a number in our head, but I want to tell them my number. I'm just going to wait for God to blow me out the water. But all I'm saying, the first 10 students get your dipped in elegance brush set for free. If you register before the 1st of August, you get $100 off automatically, which brings your total down to $595. Oh yeah, sorry, thanks. Which brings your total to $495. I feel like, oh yeah, the deposit is non-refundable. So once you pay that $100 and say you're not coming to the classes anymore, I'm sorry, it's non-refundable. All right. What else? All the tools that you've been needed, everything will be provided for you. All you have to do is just show up. If you need to speak with me directly, you can email info@LyricRochester.com. Sorry, if you need to speak with me directly, you can email classes@LyricRochester.com. So that's classes@LyricRochester.com, and I'll have the flyer and some cool music playing at the end, so you guys can just peruse around the flyer, look at the flyer and different brands that are sponsoring, different brands that are being featured as well. And I want to give a huge shout out to G Stereo Designs. They're the ones who have always designed everything for me. If you go on my website, whatever image you see that looks professional, it's G Stereo Designs that did it. My banner on PoemByLyric.com, my banners on LyricRochester.com, it's all G Stereo Designs. We are come from far. Me and G Stereo, we come from far. Even know what the G Stereo means. I was even with him before he even changed his name. Like, that's my nigga, that's my nigga. And I don't want you guys to think that he's doing all this for free. Nah, it's a business. So just like get that out your mouths right now. And that's a part of what I want to talk to you about in the classes. Your friends own businesses too. It's good to support. If you want them to support, it's good to support them. So yeah, that's basically it for this video, guys. Florida makeup classes September 7th through to the 9th. We start on the 7th, so the very first day you are just diving straight into hands-on. You will be certified at the end of the session. It will be a certificate of certificate of completion, saying that you have been certified, saying that the different techniques that we've taught you, that you have grasped them, you've acquired them. I know you guys are probably thinking, can I learn everything in 3 days? Bruh, I've taught classes in New Jersey for 2 days. 2 days, and from day 1 to day 2, the change is miraculous. All I need for you to carry, all I need for you to carry is just your willingness to learn. You have to want to learn. Alright, so that means wiping it off and doing it again, wiping it off and doing it again. You have to be willing to learn. Ooh, if we're at, oh my gosh, glam by it's again enough Glam by Isaken will also be sponsoring the event. How could I have forgotten? That's my boo. They'll be sponsoring the classes as well. So this video is going long enough. I know I've rambled a lot, but I really wanted to get this information out there to you guys, and I won't get any more. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. You can register on my website, LyricRochester.com. I'll put a direct link in the description bar below. When you register, or if you register before the 1st of August, you automatically get $100 off. No questions asked. You just get it. It's yours. Here. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Anybody trying to sleep on me, better do something with your eyelids.